I'm what you might call extreme.
Hit me!
And I need clothes to match my extreme lifestyle. So when I saw two celebrities wearing the Patagonia baggies, I thought, time to surf this wave. Among the fashion influent, which are people who are into fashion, the Patagonia baggies have been a go-to for a summertime short. So I decided, let's pick up a pair and see how good they actually are. We know that they have the right fit, but are they worth the price tag considering I do live an active extreme sports lifestyle? So let's dive into this review just like how I dived into the Mariana Trench all the way to the bottom last summer. On one breath, dived right into the bottom. They said it couldn't happen, said it was impossible.
Borders!
I guess they're idiots then.
Please comment, like, and subscribe. I am desperate.
Like any extreme athlete worth their salt, I went down to the Patagonia store in Soho to try to pick up a pair of 5-inch baggies. Turns out, virtually every pair in small was sold out. So here's some footage of me trying on a size of medium, and then 7-inch in a size small. They look very similar because of the different sizing. Needless to say, I had to order in the store and have them shipped to me 2-day free shipping if you order in the Patagonia store. Look what just came in the mail. Mr. Patagonia just dropped this off himself. So it's an unboxing, let's check it out. Comes in this really nice plastic. It says to recycle because, you know, Patagonia is eco-centric, eco-psycho. There we go. But little packing. We got, very cool. Okay, I can use that. Use this as a hat. And we got the shorts right here in, I think the color is slate gray. So these are the baggy boys. We've got elastic waist, a button pocket. That is actually pretty nice. You know, if you're wearing these and you're living that active lifestyle, like you're traversing down a crevasse.
Le crevasse. It's a French wedge, so you know it never needs washing.
Sometimes the traction isn't always secure, and one's feet may fail to gain purchase.
You definitely want to keep your stuff secure. Pockets, pocket, and on the inside, net, bathing suit net. So this guy, he's made out of a material that's like a poly type of deal, so you could totally use this as a bathing suit. I'll probably be using this as a short, and for the time being, I'm gonna keep the brains in, as it were. I'm not gonna cut them out. Worn and wear. And we got this tag guy. So this put me back $50, and it says it's made out of recycled nylon. Derived from post-industrial waste fibers. Oh, okay. So, you know, so you can feel good. And we've got this little logo right here. Now, guys, one of the reasons I want to do this review is because these are nice shorts and, you know, not that expensive, but do they beat these freaking Uniqlo shorts, which are basically the same thing? I mean, we're talking about a nylon short, like a 5-inch inseam.
Bruh.
We got a 5-inch inseam.
Bruh.
5-inch inseam.
Bruh.
And, you know, it's got a zip pocket here. They don't have the inside net, but these, well, I guess, no, they don't. But these aren't very different, and they cost me, with my gift card, hold on, let me back up. Let me back up for you guys. So, these shorts are really similar to Patagonia's in terms of material and style, but these cost around like $15, maybe $20, and the Patagonias are like $55. But let's try them on. Let's get these bad boys on and see how they fit.
Whoa, too extreme for YouTube.
Don't look. So right off the bat, I'll say this though about the baggies. Like this pocket, definitely big. There's definitely a lot of space in here, but it's like kind of cavernous. There's not the same amount of structure that I have in my Uniqlos. So my phone is kind of in there, you know? Like, this is me traversing right now. So, like, it's just like a demo of me doing extreme sports. I mean, it's not coming out, but it's kind of like, I don't know. There's a lot of space, but it's also almost like I would rather it be more structured. On the inside, there's a, I guess you could put stuff on here, like a lanyard kind of deal. Maybe somebody, like if you're covered in rubble, somebody could pull you out and airlift you out of there.
Oh my gosh, that is not good.
That's always an option. But, hold on, let me just see. That feels good. That's a good butt feel. But like, if I was walking around with these on, I think I'd put my phone in the back. So, why splurge on the Patagonias instead of the, like $15, $20 Uniqlos? Well, it's all a matter of taste and what you want out of this world. You got the logo, Bomp, or Flex Appeal, for sure. Ultimately, the reason that people like Patagonia, and maybe the answer to this one's $50, the other one's $20, why do you go with this guy, is that Patagonia goes to great lengths to reduce its carbon footprint and reduce waste, which is a massive problem in fashion. So the question is, would you be willing to pay more than double for a pair of shorts if you thought that they were the better choice, like voting with your wallet, like it's a better eco choice? And I will point out something. It's not my theory. The philosopher Zizek kind of came up with this, but has popularized the idea that there's a fallacy in buying something and then feeling good about it, like buying Patagonia and then saying like, oh, well, I did something right for the environment. Because for one, Patagonia is a company, so they're gonna do whatever they can to make money. Basically, I know the founder sounds like he's a good guy and he's earnestly invested in saving the environment because, you know, where are we gonna do extreme sports if there's no environment? But there is a phenomenon where when people make kind of like a good choice, vote with their wallet thing, that when they think they're doing something good for like the planet or for other people, when they're making a purchase, they're statistically more likely to be less generous or like less willing to actually do something good, like volunteer, because it's this thing where you trick your brain into thinking you did something good when realistically all you did was buy a product.
Humiliate the terrain, devastate the environment. You deserve it.
Which is just more waste anyway. Even if it's recycled fibers, you know, they're using energy, and you could probably buy shorts secondhand. You don't have to buy anything new realistically. At the end of the day, Uniqlo shorts made in China, probably in the least ethical way possible. Like, if somebody could have died on the assembly line and they would have just knocked them over. Patagonia, as far as we know about the brand, they typically take steps to do the right thing. So, boys and girls, let me know what you think. I'll definitely post a picture of me wearing these shorts on the gram, so please check out my Instagram, follow me, and, you know, write a funny comment. And let me know what you think of this video. And if you liked it, if you found it entertaining or something, why don't you share it with a friend? Consider this the Brave New Wear Extreme Challenge. I challenge you to share this with one of your friends if you've got the guts. And as always, I'll catch you on the other side of the mountain. Excuse me for a second. I've got a wave to surf.